Most people get this wrong when they search for free Starbucks gift cards. They jump into random websites, expect instant rewards, and then end up disappointed. But here's the truth no one tells you. Real methods exist, but they require small, consistent actions, not magic shortcuts. In this video, you will learn 7 real ways to get free Starbucks gift cards, how each method actually works, and what you should realistically expect. This matters because if you choose the wrong methods, you can waste hours and still end up with nothing. Let's get into it. First is survey reward apps like Swagbucks and similar platforms. You complete short surveys, watch videos, or try simple offers and earn points. Those points can be exchanged for Starbucks gift cards. People like Alex in New York often use these apps during downtime like commuting or waiting. But here's the problem. High-value surveys are not always available every day. Second is receipt scanning apps. You upload receipts from grocery or retail purchases, and you earn points over time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even small daily shopping habits can slowly build into gift card rewards without changing your routine. Third is cashback apps. These apps reward you when you shop through their partner links. Instead of discounts, you earn cashback that can be converted into gift cards. The key is to use them only when you already plan to buy something, not to overspend. Fourth is Starbucks reward promotions. Starbucks itself sometimes runs campaigns where you earn bonus points or gift card entries through purchases or app activities. These are not constant, but when available, they are one of the most direct ways to earn rewards. Fifth is gaming reward apps like Misplay or similar platforms. You play mobile games, earn points based on time or progress, and redeem them for gift cards. But here's the catch. The time investment is higher than most beginners expect. Sixth is referral programs. Many apps give you bonus points or gift cards when you invite friends. Users like Jake in Texas often earn faster this way, but only if their referrals actually complete required actions. Seventh is online reward hubs that combine surveys, offers, and small tasks in one platform. These are flexible, but earnings vary depending on your activity level and location. Now, let's connect everything. The biggest mistake people make is trying all 7 methods at once. That leads to confusion and no real progress. The smarter approach is to pick 2 or 3 methods that fit your daily routine. So, what should you do next? Start with one survey app for consistency, one cashback app for everyday purchases, and one passive method like receipt scanning. This combination gives you steady progress without overload. But here's something important most people ignore. These methods are not designed to replace income. They are designed for small rewards that build over time. If you treat them like a long-term habit instead of a quick hack, results become much more realistic. To wrap it up, getting free Starbucks gift cards in 2026 is absolutely possible, but only if you stay consistent and use legitimate platforms. The system rewards patience, not shortcuts. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment with which method you want to try first, and subscribe for more honest earning guides that actually help you save time and avoid scams.